Hey everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Telegram desktop connecting issues on PC. If your Telegram app is stuck on connecting and not loading any chats, don't worry. We've got a simple fix that can help you get back online fast. First, click on the search icon at the bottom of your screen and type commanded in the search bar to find the command prompt. Once it appears, right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This will give it the necessary permissions to reset your network settings. Now type the command net winsock reset and press enter. This resets the Winsock catalog and can fix network-related issues in apps like Telegram. Next, type ipconfig flush DNS and hit enter. This clears the DNS cache and helps with any DNS-related conflicts. Then type ipconfig/release and press enter. This will release your current IP configuration, making way for a new one. After that, type ipconfig/renew and press enter. This refreshes your IP address and can fix minor network glitches. Now, type netchech int IP reset and hit enter. This resets your full TCP/IP stack, which can help resolve deeper network configuration problems. Finally, go ahead and reboot your computer. Restarting your system will apply all the changes and should fix the Telegram connection issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more quick and effective tech solutions.